What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best action cameras for 2022. Through extensive research I've put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers, so whether their price, performance and particular use, we got you covered. For more information on the products I've included links in the description box down below which are updated for the latest prices. Like this video, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The fifth product on our list for today is the Ricoh Theta SC2, the best for beginners action camera to be found on the market for 2022. The Ricoh Theta SC2 is a pocket-sized 360-degree camera that makes taking immersive photos and videos as simple as pressing a button. Unlike clunky 360-degree cameras of the past, the Theta SC2 keeps all the processing behind the scenes and manages to make 360-degree photography and video capture not much different than using a point-and-shoot camera. It's a great option for beginners due to its simple and functional app. That said, our reviewer found that the image quality lags behind even the most budget smartphone camera systems, but the immersion provided by 360-degree content is undeniably unique and is something no smartphone camera system can replicate. The fourth product on our list for today is the GoPro MAX, the best rugged action camera to be found on the market for 2022. The GoPro MAX has a 3-camera and 6-microphone array to capture more immersive videos and audio than ever before. 4 different digital lens modes let you choose your shot angles and focus lengths to create videos and still images that are ready for VR viewing. It features both horizontal leveling and updated image stabilization to give your videos a smooth, cinematic feel to them whether you're base jumping off of mountains or chasing your kids in the backyard. The GoPro app not only lets you access your raw video and photo files, it lets you edit and share them directly from the app. It also allows for live streaming to social media and other sites in 1080p for incredibly detailed live images. The GoPro MAX can take 270-degree panoramic photos without you having to scan the horizon, giving you distortion-free finished shots. The time warp setting lets you automatically adjust shooting speed based on lighting, scene detection, and motion so you can capture epic moments in slow motion. A fast charging adapter is available to give you more battery life more quickly so you can get back to the action without having to wait all day for the camera to recharge. The third product on our list for today is the Insta360 One X2, the best 360-degree action camera to be found on the market for 2022. The Insta360 One X2 adds weather sealing to an already compelling and easy-to-use 360-degree action camera. It's made to go everywhere you do and record your exciting and important moments without having to worry about perfectly framing the shot. The camera is robustly built, though the camera lenses themselves are still somewhat fragile. However, with the included neoprene case you needn't worry about carrying it in your pocket like a phone, and one of the big advantages of the One X2 is the fact that it's actually smaller than most phones. The big caveats of the One X2 are its less than spectacular image quality from its 5.7K sensor and the steep learning curve for editing 360 footage. The One X2 is all about capturing the shot, so the unimpressive image quality can be excused for the camera's ease of use, and the built-in editing features of the smartphone app help streamline 360 footage editing. If you want to capture exciting and spontaneous moments without having to think about the camera, then the Insta360 One X2 is a great solution. The second product on our list for today is the AKASO EK7000 Pro 4K, the most popular action camera to be found on the market for 2022. From boutique action camera maker AKASO, the new and improved EK7000 brings with it a host of contemporary features you've come to expect from a device in its class, including the ability to shoot 4K video at up to 25 fps and 2.7K video at a full 30 fps. In other words, you're netting yourself a truly formidable action camera for an economical price. The newest version of the cam also gives you a bigger 16-megapixel sensor for better low-light performance and crisp stills. It has built-in electronic image stabilization for shakier shoots, a newly increased 131 feet of waterproof shooting protection, and even an extensive selection of cases and mounts. But, at this price point, Wi-Fi integration is the real killer app. With it, you can use the iSmart DV app to not only monitor the picture you're viewing in real time, but to transfer photos and videos on the spot too, for instant shareability. The first product on our list for today is the GoPro HERO9 Black, the overall best action camera to be found on the market for 2022. The GoPro HERO9 Black is a bit of a mixed bag for previous GoPro owners, but it's still one of the best action camera you can buy today. GoPro has made several improvements, big and small, like adding support for 5K video at 30 fps, and bumping the still image size from 12 megapixel to 20 megapixel. Also improved the already laudable Hyper Smooth feature, which sees a noticeable improvement from version 2.0 to 3.0. Time Warp, the company's hyperlapse feature, becomes even easier to use and even gets support for slow-mo in the middle of a recording. And most noticeably, the HERO9 Black gets a full-color front-facing LCD screen with live preview, which is incredibly helpful for previewing and fixing your shot before you start rolling. Also, a bit of a mixed change is that the body itself is now waterproof. The GoPro HERO9 Black is an extremely capable action camera. That's all for now. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below which are updated for the latest prices. Like this video, comment and make sure to subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.